Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the family. This is Joe. Hi, Joe. This is Shirley, the mama. Oh, and Joe's the daddy. Shirley. These two guys over here. Guys, this is Phil and Bob. They're twin brothers. Fraternal twins. Obviously. And this is Sally and Tina. And together, twin sisters, yes. And together, they make the family of asparagus. La 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 la.
This is my favorite.
Bob is the best. We like Bob.
He's fat, short, stubby.
Bob. Joe, Shirley, Phil, Bob, Sally, Tina.